Hello, my name is Carl Topher. I'm the instructor for TA 127, Contemporary Theater. We also have a version called English 127, Contemporary Theater. I'm section 2 of this course. And my office will be located upstairs in Hugh Gillis Hall, 213. And you can reach me by phone at 408-924-4305. And my email address, all of this is available on the course website. You'll have all of this information about the syllabus available in printed form, but I'm going over it with you on the video. And you can reach me by email at Carl, K-A-R-L, .Topher, T-O-E-P-F-E-R, at sjsu.edu. And my office hours are Wednesday from 10 to 12 and Thursday from 3 to 5. But if those times aren't convenient for you, we can arrange a time that is convenient for both of us. This class is formally scheduled on Tuesday and Thursday from 1:30 to 2:45. However, we're expecting to do the whole class online. It's an experiment for me and perhaps for you as well. But I want to take advantage of the technologies that online instruction provide to create perhaps a richer educational experience concerning contemporary theater than we might get in the classroom, and at the same time provide greater flexibility for both students and me, a faculty member, in terms of managing our time and cutting down on the commute times and the impact on the environment that has by doing more work and more thinking about contemporary theater online. In any case, my purpose is to try and develop this technology in relation to the subject matter. It's kind of an experiment, but I think we're going to have a lot of fun at it, and I think it'll get good and it'll get better with your help. Anyway, the classroom is scheduled in 217, and we may meet during the semester as many times as necessary, and I have no doubt I'll be meeting with groups of students throughout the semester in relation to projects, which I'll discuss in a moment. Prerequisites for the class: students must meet the SJSU Studies GE requirements, have upper division standing, and have completed the core GE requirements, and have passed the WST. So I hope that applies to everybody who's now enrolled in the class. Now, as I said, this course we want to develop through digital technology. It's online and managed through the Desire to Learn learning management system. And as a result, you are responsible for regularly checking your progress in the course through the messaging system provided by Desire to Learn, D2L. What does this course do? This course examines the history of theater and performance since the 1970s. It identifies major themes, problems, and achievements of theater over the past 30 years and provides important examples of contemporary forms of theatrical activity. A goal of the course is to reach a stronger understanding of ways in which theater embodies changing values or attitudes toward social and historical conditions, and of ways in which theater functions to produce changes in audiences and societies. Students in the course will develop skill at comparative analysis by evaluating different strategies for performance in relation to expected and actual outcomes. A further goal of the course is to expand student skills in using digital media and video to communicate ideas and solutions to problems. With this course, we have learning outcomes associated with general education, since this is a GE course. And those include an outcome of being able to compare systematically ideas, values, images, and cultural artifacts, economic structures, or attitudes of people from different societies or cultures. Another objective, second one, identify the historical context of ideas and cultural practices and their dynamic relations to other historical contexts. And finally, a GE outcome is to learn how to explain, or learn to explain how culture changes in response to internal and external pressures. In regard to the specific subject matter of contemporary theater, we have special course objectives, including, or learning outcomes. This is what you'll be able to do. When you get through with the course, you will be able to articulate the diversity of dramatic and theatrical forms from a global perspective. Articulate relations between performers, performances, authors, and audiences. Third, articulate the effect of different modes of performance and theatrical communication upon themselves. Fourth, apply knowledge of historical, social, economic, psychological, or aesthetic conditions to solving problems related to creating or understanding the significance of theatrical performances or texts. And finally, a skill you will acquire through this course is you'll develop your writing and communication skills using digital media and video. That's a summary of the basic course objectives. In my next little video, we'll talk about course requirements.